Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Micron Technology, one of the most important players in the semiconductor industry. With a market cap of over $250 billion and explosive growth driven by artificial intelligence, this company is making waves in the tech world. Let's break down everything you need to know. Micron Technology is a leading provider of memory and storage solutions, headquartered in Boise, Idaho. The company specializes in three core products: DRAM, NAND flash memory, and NOR flash memory. These products power everything from data centers and mobile devices to automotive systems and consumer electronics across the globe. Micron operates through four main business units covering cloud, data centers, mobile devices, and automotive applications. What makes Micron particularly exciting right now is its strategic focus on high-performance memory solutions. Products like high-bandwidth memory, known as HBM, and DDR5 are in massive demand as AI applications continue to explode worldwide. Micron has built a robust global manufacturing footprint with facilities across the United States, Taiwan, Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, China, and India. The company markets its products under the Micron and Crucial brands, serving customers through both direct sales and distribution channels. Founded in 1978, Micron continues to push the boundaries of semiconductor technology by investing heavily in cutting-edge manufacturing processes like the 1-gamma DRAM node, which uses EUV lithography for enhanced performance and efficiency. In the memory market, Micron competes against some formidable players including Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, and Kioxia Holdings. However, Micron holds a unique advantage as the largest US-based memory manufacturer. This provides significant geopolitical benefits, especially with domestic manufacturing investments supported by the CHIPS Act. This strategic positioning is increasingly valuable in today's complex global landscape. Let's look at the numbers. Micron currently has a market capitalization of approximately $252 billion. The company's forward earnings per share growth stands at an impressive 146%, reflecting rapid expansion in profitability. The forward price-to-earnings ratio of around 13 is notably lower than the sector median of 29, suggesting potential value despite the company's premium positioning. Revenue growth is projected at 36%, far outpacing the sector median of just 8%. Profitability metrics are equally strong, with an EBITDA margin of 48% compared to the sector median of only 11%. This demonstrates highly efficient profit generation relative to sales. The company also offers a quarterly dividend with a forward yield of 0.2%. Several key factors are fueling Micron's growth trajectory. First, the AI revolution is creating unprecedented demand for high-performance memory in data centers. Micron is strategically transitioning from a commodity memory producer to a growth engine capitalizing on this trend. Second, a DRAM supply crunch is supporting strong momentum through fiscal year 2026, with robust revenue and margin growth forecasts. Third, Micron's investments in advanced technologies like high-bandwidth memory position it as a critical supplier for AI infrastructure. The company's HBM products are essential components in AI accelerators and high-performance computing systems. Of course, no investment comes without risks. Micron's heavy reliance on AI-driven demand means any slowdown in AI spending could impact the company significantly. The DRAM and NAND markets are historically cyclical, and high capital expenditures are required to maintain Micron's competitive edge in manufacturing technology. Additionally, competition in the HBM market is intensifying, with rivals like Samsung and SK Hynix expanding their capabilities. This could lead to potential margin erosion beyond 2026. In summary, Micron Technology presents a compelling story in the semiconductor space. With exceptional growth metrics, strong profitability, impressive stock momentum, and a strategic position in the booming AI market, the company is well-positioned for the future. While valuation and competitive risks exist, Micron's unique advantages as the largest U.S. memory manufacturer and its focus on high-value products make it a stock worth watching closely. What do you think about Micron's prospects in the AI era? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech and investment insights. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.